Hello everyone. I sincerely apologize for the post I made which offended members of the Muslim community. I understand that my words and actions were inappropriate and caused pain, and I take full responsibility. As part of my commitment to make this right, I agree to the following. I will refrain from creating and posting any content for a month. I will attend a psychiatric consultation together with my mother in order to better understand myself and my actions. I will participate in activities organized by Muslim community, including community assistance and feeding program as a way to show respect and support. In the future, I will be more responsible of what I say and behave and to think wisely before speaking. And Dabawenyo discipline, as a true Dabawenyo, I shall conduct myself in a matter that befits a true Dabawenyo by exercising respect and accountability and cultural sensitivity in my words and actions, both online and offline. Thank you for giving me the chance to correct my mistake and to grow from this experience. Thank you.